This brand is only available through their limited dealer network. The 32 HP models are heat pumps that use earth-friendly R32 refrigerant and are backed by a very good guarantee. They are available in 4 sizes from 7,000 to 15,000 BTU, and they are pretty quiet with a noise rating that is less than a normal adult conversation. The units use basic rotary compressors and only have a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air, but they have coated coils that resist corrosion. The 32 AC models are cooling models with electric heat and they have a 10.7 ER efficiency rating. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.